The Lost Starlight. In the kingdom of Everdawn, where the days were bathed in a perpetual golden glow, there once shone a magical starlight that illuminated the night sky with its brilliance. The starlight was said to be a gift from the stars themselves, and it had the power to grant wishes to those who believed in its magic. Among the inhabitants of Everdawn was a young boy named Oliver, who had always been fascinated by the stars. He spent countless nights gazing at the shimmering sky, dreaming of the day he could make a wish upon the starlight. One evening, as the moon began its ascent and the first stars twinkled into view, Oliver noticed something unusual. The starlight seemed dimmer than usual, as if its radiance was fading away. Troubled by this sight, he sought the advice of the wise astronomer, Eldora, who had studied the stars for many years. Eldora explained that the starlight was losing its magic because of a mysterious dark force that was draining its power. If the light continued to fade, the kingdom of Everdawn would be plunged into darkness forever, and all the wishes of its people would be lost. Determined to save the starlight and the dreams of his fellow citizens, Oliver embarked on a daring quest. Guided by the knowledge bestowed upon him by Eldora, he set out to find the 4 ancient star crystals scattered across the kingdom. It was said that these crystals held the key to restoring the starlight's magic. With his loyal friend, a talking fox named Orion, by his side, Oliver ventured through enchanting forests, climbed towering mountains, and braved treacherous caverns. Along the way, he encountered mystical beings and clever puzzles that tested his bravery and wit. Oliver's journey was not without challenges, and he faced moments of doubt and fear. But he remembered the words of Eldora, who told him that true courage was not the absence of fear but the willingness to continue despite it. Finally, after many trials, Oliver discovered the first of the star crystals within the heart of a hidden grove. Its brilliance was breathtaking, and he carefully placed it in a satchel he carried with him. With renewed determination, Oliver continued his quest, locating the second star crystal guarded by a majestic phoenix, the third hidden deep within a crystal cave, and the fourth concealed in the depths of an underwater grotto. Each time Oliver found a crystal, he could feel its magical energy course through him, igniting a sense of hope and purpose within his heart. He knew that he was getting closer to saving the starlight and the dreams of his kingdom. As Oliver gathered the final crystal, he felt the darkness closing in around him. The dark force sensed his mission and attempted to thwart his efforts, but he persevered, holding on to the belief that his actions could make a difference. At the highest peak of Everdawn, where the starlight was once the brightest, Oliver stood with all 4 star crystals in hand. The crystals emitted a radiant glow that reached out to the sky, dispelling the darkness and illuminating the kingdom once more. With a deep breath and a heart full of hope, Oliver held the crystals high and made a wish upon the starlight. He wished for the darkness to be banished forever and for the starlight to shine brightly, granting the dreams of all who looked to the heavens. A dazzling burst of light erupted from the crystals, and the starlight's magic was restored. The kingdom of Everdawn was bathed in a resplendent glow once again, and cheers of joy echoed through the land. Oliver's bravery and selflessness had saved the starlight, and with it, the dreams and wishes of the kingdom's people. As a symbol of gratitude, the stars above granted Oliver a special gift, the ability to carry the starlight within his heart always, ensuring that the kingdom of Everdawn would forever be a place of hope, magic, and dreams come true. And so, Oliver's tale of courage and determination spread far and wide, inspiring all who heard it to believe in the power of dreams and the magic that lies within each of us to make the world a brighter place. The starlight's glow continued to shine brightly, a testament to the enduring spirit of one young boy who dared to chase the stars and bring their magic back to his kingdom. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more amazing content like this.